Good morning, everybody. Honorable Minister for Development, Disaster Management, my dear friend, Kamal Pandey, distinguished industry giants, and on behalf of myself and on behalf of FICCI, extend heartiest welcome to this interactive session between the FICCI and the State Government. Has been playing a key role in being at early stages. And FICCI organizes coordinating the industry voices on behalf of the mining engineering industry. As a part of that, it was decided that we will launch a very close interaction with each state government. This year we started with the Jharkhand government, thereafter we had Chhattisgarh. Odisha is our hard destinations, and we have planning industry search in the country, in our country, by constitution and as per the rules prevailing in the country. It has a very operating since since independence. But by doing that, we do. Before we start this session, may I request my colleague from FICCI, Mr. Secretary, Mr. Varma, please. Mr. Kamal Pandey to introduce our books and publications.
Today we are launching the 4th edition of Naturenomics, and that too in Odisha. Policies, best practices, not only from India but from all over the world included. We have proposed a number of changes to the Ministry of. This volume is a compendium of all discussions on the subject. We now request to please release the 4th edition of Naturenomics.
Where we 4 states are members: Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Srimati Mamata Banerjee was there in the meeting. Sri Nitish Kumar ji was in the meeting. The Governor of Jharkhand, some Muslim fellow, was in the meeting. On behalf of Odisha government, I and our finance minister, who is both represented, as our CM was engaged in the same day in Village Samsung. We 4 states have the same character regarding having good minds and intellectual. What we discussed have been submitted. Well, I tell you, prior to 1990, for making any investment in the state, the money routed by different companies of the world through Government of India, and Government of India was charging a huge interest should not run its own industry. They cannot do it. They should govern it. They should not do it. But I will tell you, after our... You are comfortable in English or Hindi?
I am comfortable in English.
Okay. See. Sir, as you know that Odisha is a mining holding state. There are a lot of industries are coming after 2000, but the way industrialization is going on, that will hamper social life. All the destruction is coming up. So how to manage all these things?
See, it's not such a easy issue to handle. It is a complicated one. Under the process and policies of the law, each of the stakeholder has to work under the entire policy and deal with the situation under the policy and guidelines which the Government of India brings out and also by the state government. There is a new mining bill which is now on the anvil. It is called the MMDR bill, which is before the Parliament. the standing committee has recently submitted its report, based on which each state is required to formulate a policy and follow the broad guidelines on the MMDR bill. We at Balipara Foundation, we believe that most of the issues on social security or economic integrity or environmental neutrality, which are important for all the stakeholders, whether it is for the government, whether it is for the community, or whether for the industry, will be resolved.
So what are the
lack of government responsibility to catch part of the promises they are giving to the government during their MOU? Is there that following properly or lack of any government?
See, there could be some instances which are aberrations, but it cannot be made into a general rule. If you see the MOUs and if you see what the industry has been contributing, and also look at the community and the other stakeholders which are involved, you will find that there is more to look forward to progress than to look at negativity which may have happened in the past.
So what is the take of FICCI on this issue?
FICCI, again, I would say that it's a platform which it provides to the industry, and I feel that FICCI is doing a great job in bringing the three stakeholders together: the industry, the community, and the government.
So is FICCI really happy with the work done by Odisha government?
See,
in the development of industry?
See, FICCI has dialogues with the state governments at various levels. This is one round table which we are holding in Orissa, and it is a follow-up on round tables we held in Jharkhand, we held in Chhattisgarh. And FICCI is here to have this dialogue and round table with the state government in facilitating various issues which the industry may be facing. And the government has its own feedback from the community, it has the feedback from the central government, it has the feedback from the industry. All these three stakeholders have to sit together and make a winning proposition for the state. It is not that without mining the industry can survive, but for the progress of this country, industry is a necessity. And minerals and natural resources are the wealth from which the GDP will grow, the overall progress will happen, and everybody will win from this situation.
Sir, is it high time to plan in such a way that in future people living in mining areas, and government will also look after all the people, those who are living in mining areas? Till now, the government is not looking after mining, industries are not looking after. Is it high time?
It is bound to happen, and it is going to happen. If you look at I'm sure people would have studied the new MMDR bill. There is a provision for a district mineral fund where all the industry, the people who are miners, they would contribute an amount equivalent to royalty to the district mineral fund, which will be used for infrastructure development and welfare of the community in mining areas. I am sure this is a very great step in that direction.
Sir, good name, sir.
My name is Kamal Pandya.
Okay, your position in FICCI?
I am a member of the FICCI Mining Committee. We are members of FICCI, and we work along with FICCI.
Thank you, sir. इटको को जो लैंड बैंक रिजर्व करे पे कोई तापटी
नहीं आमर वर्तमान इडको जी अच्छी ओडिशार जी शिल्प अंचल तैयारी करछि ताको आमे कहितु जे जोटे जोटे शिल्प आसीबार आवश्यकता अछि किंबा शिल्पांचल सृष्टि हो पारिबो सेठी गोटे लैंड बैंक करिया पई आमे निर्देश देछु आगरू से माने लैंड एक्वायर कर रखिबे आ सेही अंचल जदि शिल्पर वातावरण सृष्टि करा जाय पारिबो तबे भलो शिल्प आसी पारिबो कारण लैंड बैंक करिया पई कहिछु
बोथ फॉर लार्ज एंड स्मॉल इन्वेस्टर्स
एवरीथिंग फॉर लार्ज मीडियम स्मॉल समस्त में कहुई एवं रिसेंटली आम बालेश्वर जिले में रेमुणा एरिया 1000 एकर लैंड एक्वायर कर ठीक सेमती कोरापुट जिले में बैकवर्ड एरिया से लैंड एक्वायर कर तेणु इडको जरिया बर्तमान सब लैंड एक्वायर चलती
लैंड एक्विजिशन प्रॉब्लम सकाशे जो होची से
नहीं लैंड एक्विजिशन प्रॉब्लम सेमती किसी नहीं अनेक किसी जगह अच्छी जदि प्रॉपर्ली जो मैंने शिल्प करेंगे लोक को ठीक भाव कंपेनसेशन देवे कि लोकंर जमीर मूल्य ठीक भाव दे पारे तेरे कौटे जमीर प्रॉब्लम आसो ना
you are also complaining some of the non-serious players those who have taken the land
मुझे सारी जे आमर आईन रे गंडी में जो मैंने सीरियसली इंडस्ट्री करेंगे किसी असुविधा ना जो मैंने नॉन सीरियस पीपल शिल्प ना किसी अन्य चिंताधारा आसवे तो से सरकार साहाय्य रही कि असुविधा हो पाए कि जो मैंने प्रकृत शिल्प करने को चाहते राज्यर उन्नति करने को चाहते राज्यर उन्नति भागीदार हे से किसी समस्या हम नहीं
मित्तल जो also
नहीं आम रिसेंटली जो मैंने जमी डायरेक्टली लोक कि ओएलआर एक्ट अनुसार स्टैंडर्ड 10 एकर टू अधिक जमी किणी नहीं जाइए से आम नोटिस देचु से जमी फेरस्त नापी किंतु जो मैंने इटको जरिया नहीं कि जो मैंने शिल्प स्थापन कर जो मैंने आईन पद्धति नहीं किसी असुविधा नहीं नहीं आमर मत शिल्प भल भाव चलती देयर इज नो डाउट इन इट गत 7-8 वर्ष भितर 7 लाख कोटी टंकार इन्वेस्टमेंट आसी बहुत शिल्प आसुँ से सन्देह ना जो मैंने राइट प्लेयर किसी असुविधा ना जो मैंने किसी अन्य चिंताधारा करके जदि जमी नहीं जावा कि माइन्स नहीं जावा चिंतार आसवे हूँ तो समस्या हो पाए
आर्सेलर मित्तल जगह माने ऑफिस बंद कर स्टील प्लांट
कौन से व्यक्तिगत भाव कौन शिल्प किसी कहीपरि जहाँ कही पॉलिसी और जनरल हिसाब से कहीपर आमर एडीएम मानकर जो सम्मेलन आज डाकी न्याचुराली आमर राज्यर जो रेवेन्यू सब्जेक्ट अच्छी लैंड ठू आरंभ करके वेलफेयर मेजर्स अच्छी से गुड़ाक एडीएम माने जेहेतु जिले में बुझुंट रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट पक्षर किसी एडीएम अच्छा से मैंने ऑफिस न बसिक दे मस्ट गो टू तहसील ऑफिस आरआई ऑफिस सेठी जाइए रिव्यू करी जहाँ जहाँ सरकार प्रोग्राम अच्छे करवा दरकार से दृष्टि डायरेक्शन देती अंतत पक्षे प्रति मसरे 3टी तहसील को विजिट करेंगे 7टी आरआई साइट को विजिट करेंगे सेठी सरकार प्रोग्राम को रिव्यू करेंगे जदि से कनसर्न ऑफिसर तहसीलदार हो आरआई हो जदि काम करनी इमिडिएटली जुडिशन जहाँ एक्शन ना कथा ने नचेत गवर्नमेंट को तुरंत एकाउंट करेंगे सो दैट वी विल सेटराइट दोज पीपल